Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I believe you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can enjoy all the lovely episodes here. If you already have subscribed, I'm sure you're already enjoying a wonderful projects over here. Today I'm here with another very flavored and tasty recipe. Today I have a bring recipe about the chana dal, and we're gonna make a chana dal khichdi or chana dal pulao. This recipe is so easy and quicker to do, and I gonna show you the easiest technique and way how to prepare this amazing recipe. If you especially have a digest issues or stomach issues, or you have like surgeries, or you're going through health issues, this is the lightest recipe. You can try it and still can get nutrition your body. So let's go ahead and start it. Okay, so for making our simple yum chana dal khichdi or chana dal pulao, simply you definitely first of all need a yellow split peas. This is Goya company, which you can easily find to any grocery stores. I have got them from Walmart. So these chana dals, we just need a 1 cup, which I had first soaked and then boiled like a 80 to 75% boiled, and then I just separate the water from the lentils. I don't like to waste the water because it's carries so many nutrition, so I'm gonna use this water into my rice. Then I have a 2 cup rice. I took a medium onion, red onion, one big tomato. Then I have a green chilies, one only green chilies, some cilantro and mint leaves, and salt, black pepper, and the creole seeds. They are optional. If you want to, you can use it. If you don't have it, don't worry about that. I just gonna use a little sprinkle to give a little more flavor. And then I have a 1/4 cup of oil, which is already into pan, and I'm using little deep pan so my rice and lentil can cook nicely, because if you have a small pot, your rice gonna break easily. So let's go ahead and start it. Okay, so the first we are heating up our oil, and with the oil we can use our all the onions we have here, and we're just gonna brown them for color. I'm gonna try to fry them well. Okay, while our onion is getting, I gonna add some crevice seeds, like around like a 1/4 teaspoon. They're just for nice smell. Okay, so you can see our onion is almost brown, very brown. We don't need to make them too dark. And now we can put our tomatoes. And with that, you also can add your green chilies. And we are going to fry them well with our onions. With that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon black pepper, and almost 1.5 teaspoon salt. You can add salt according to your taste, how much you want. So because my lentils are already like 80% boiled, so I don't need to put right away with my, the batter. But if your lentils are not boiled, you can add them with this, the ingredients, and then add a water and wait till they get boiled. So I will add them with my rice so they can cook together. If I add them earlier, then they're gonna get more like a mushy, and the blend with the sauce, so I don't want that. I have a 2 cup of lentils water with me, which I gonna pour into my batter here, and I gonna add almost one more cup water into that. So because our lentils are already boiled, so we don't need to add extra water. So we have a 2 cup of rice. So if we have a 2 cup of rice, you almost need 3.5 cup of water. So that's how we're gonna do right now. We already have added a 2 cup of the lentils water. Now we're gonna add like 1 cup more, and later if I feel it, if I needed more water, I can add into more water. Okay, I just added the water. Now we're just gonna cover with the lid, and we will wait till our water got boiled, and then we will add the rest of the ingredients. Stay tuned. So if I show you, you can see our water is boiled well. So we just gonna add our lentils into that. Okay, and also we will be adding our rice, just extra water. And with that, you can also add your mint and cilantro leaves. We can just leave a little bit for garnish. Okay, and again we're gonna cover with the lid, and then we will be waiting for 2 more boils and keep checking in how our rice and lentils coming out together. All right, let's check our rice. As you can see, they are boiling. The water is boiling. Your rice will be done until your all rice are boiled. You can feel it. So we will keep steaming them by covering with the lid. It's better to cook with the covered lid rather than using your spatula over and over again, because more you use your spatula, you can break your rice. So that's why it's important to cook them under stream. Okay, so if I show you, our rice water is almost like dried, and our rice are like 80% cooked. See that? So I have a bring down a little bit of my heat from stove. So we're just gonna rest of rice cook by giving them a steam. Okay, and for that you need aluminum foil. Just put on top of this so all the steam can stay inside like this. Okay, and we have bring down full our heat to the number 1 point. Okay, and then we're just gonna keep steam for 10 minutes and our rice will be done. Okay, so the 10 minutes are done and now it's time to check our rice, and as you can see, they look like fine. Just take from sides. If I show you how big those rice look, because we have it cooked on a steam, that's why. So just turn off the heat from the bottom and now our rice are good to dish. I can't wait to try them. All right, as you can see, we have dished our Chana Pulao or Chana Khichdi. It looks so good and I can't wait to try. And I have made also the coleslaw with that to bring a nice flavor. And this is the perfect appetizer if you're having a big gathering on over your place. You can prepare them ahead and just heat them, in an oven or microwave. So let's try it. So flavored. That's why I love about this recipe. It's so simple and you can taste all the ingredients flavored. And I'm sure you have liked watching our today cooking episodes. If you really do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you see that we have prepared flavored and beautifully chana dal recipe. God bless you all. Feel free to share with your family or friends so I can hit more subscribers. Love you all. Be safe wherever you are and have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.